Hey YouTube, today we are going to take a look at the collaboration between Harry Potter and Black Paris. This is the first merchandise I own from Black Paris. I've been kind of aware of them for a while, but this is the first time as a as a big Harry Potter fan I decided to kind of take the plunge on something. This is their well, you'll see. I don't want to spoil anything, but let's open it up. And it's what it is sold out now, at least. And now if you try to buy it, it just says notify when available. So I'm thinking probably won't be back. Sorry. Hands are had a little bit of lotion on, so I do really like the kind of letter that you get here. Looks really cool. See what the back looks like. Yeah, that's nice. Let's open that up. Feels very nice. And has that like official stamp, which is really cool. I love the lettering here. This silver is just kind of like a foil, which really stands out. And yeah, the Black Paris team is excited to present the Harry Potter Times Black collection. This unique collaboration brings together the enchanting world of Harry Potter with Black signature monochrome aesthetic. So this is going to be interesting. But as you can see here, we have a notebook. I believe they call this the feather and the pen set. So if you go on Black's website, like I said, it's notify me when available now, but this is, as you see, it includes a little key with kind of, reminds me of like golden snitch feathers here. And here is the lock, which comes with this little blue kind of wrapping that you have to take off there, but it's a standard lock, nothing, no icons or anything, just kind of shiny. So put that back here. And then you have this pen, which looks like a green. And then another one, which looks like a red. I'm not sure if they actually write those colors, to be honest. So we'll try and take a look here. And pull out the actual notebook itself. So you can see it's kind of got a clasp here, so if you wanted to lock it up, you could. And then pages are here. Let's use the pens really quickly. See what colors come out there. So yeah, that's a blue. I'm not pressing very hard, and I wouldn't normally write in this box, so it's not going to come out with its best coloring, as this environment isn't ideal. It's not even flat, to be honest, but you can see it's kind of a red and a blue there. So they also have, which is still available as of the time of at least I'm recording this, which is on Monday, what is today? Monday, October 6th, they do have the actual like white quill ink where you can actually have the little feather there. So it's very interesting, like the quill itself, and the white ink looks very nice, but I want to say that was about $45. So it's like I'd rather just have the notebook itself, as I use notebooks all the time. So thinking about this being in my daily carry. So really nice book, and as you can see, it feels great. Like the cover itself, the pages feel good too. But yeah, just kind of a collaboration there, which is very interesting. And that's what you get. So stay tuned for more unboxings. But happy with the first collab I've jumped on from Paris Black. Stay tuned.